Hello everyone, welcome to a new video on Hellhole channel. Hope you all are fine. So this is the complaint site for today. These two manholes are overflowing. The previous one that I have been showed where you have seen overflow, and this is the second one which is also filled. Let's see the condition of next manhole. It's not empty, but its level is lower than the previous one. So this manhole is totally empty. So the last two span of sewage line are blocked. So today we are going to unclog these two span to remove that overflow. Staff already started the working, and firstly they will unclog this span with the help of this metal wire. They are going to unclog this span. It's a narrow street, so it's create difficulties when it get blocked. Here we go. The sewer line is going to be functional. You can watch the level of sewage is now gradually getting down. And the sewage which was overflowing now it's going back into the manhole. It means this manhole also got functional, and sewage is going back smoothly from the inlet. This is the overflowed portion. In this area there are two streets for the property. First is wide road, and behind the houses there is a narrow street which is used for services like sewage, gas, and water supply. So the people which have only one-sided door, it is more difficulties for them because they don't have the clear passage. And see, the surface is now turned green due to a sewage, and there is lot of mosquitoes over this overflow. Staff is removing the rubbish or waste material which has been removed from the pipe which was causing the blockage in the sewer pipe. ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਕਮੈਂਟ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਨਾ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਆ the blockage has badly stuck with the wire, so it's getting so much time to remove it from the wire. You can watch that it's taking force There is also a person who is distributing the utility bills door to door. You can watch that.
ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਪਿਆਰ ਨਾ ਇਹ ਗੱਲ ਆਏ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਬਾਲਟੀ ਦੇ ਪੂਰੇ ਬੜੇ ਜੋਸ਼ ਨਾਲ ਸੁੱਟ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਉਹਦੇ 20 ਬਿਲ ਖੜੇ ਇਹ ਲੋਨਾਂ ਲਾ ਰਹੀ
So the first span is now unclogged, but the second span is still remaining. Now they are going to unclog the second span. After unclosing the second span, the sewer line will start uh, flowing properly. They are working at the other side of the sewer line. Here we go. This didn't took too long to unclog. You can see that the sewer line is functional from this point also. The level of sewage is decreasing with a significant speed. Sewage is coming out from the house connections which was filled due to this blockage. Sewage is also coming from last manhole which were blocked. Sewage is also gone from this manhole. The level of this manhole is also decreasing. You can watch that. ठीक है. Now the sewer line is working properly. There is no more blockage in the sewer line and the sewage is flowing smoothly. Now the staff is putting the manhole covers back.
ਇਹ ਲਾਗੇ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਗੱਡੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ
Now they are putting the manhole covers back onto the manhole. The sewer line got functional and the blockage has been removed and now the sewer line is working smoothly. You can see the sewage gone back, and there is no more of flow, and it's almost clear. Only need to wash the street so it would be clear. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching.